Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do this product animation, which is very simple to make. Fast as right click and create a new solid layer, name it BG. No, go to effects and presets and type gradient ramp. Apply the gradient ramp to the solid layer. Adjust the gradient ramp according to the video. Make sure the color you are going to use correspond to the color on your product. Make sure the start color is lighter than the end color. Apply any line and put it to the composition. Blend it to overlay. Place T on your keyboard to bring opacity and reduce the opacity the way you want. Go to Effects and Presets and type Curve. Apply the curve to the lines and adjust the texture according to the video. Now it's time to put some textures. Place any texture you have and blend it to overlay. Place T on your keyboard and reduce the opacity according to the video. Also apply curve and adjust the curve according to the video. Go to Effects and Presets and type Gaussian Blur and apply to the texture. So it's no time to make the text. Create a new composition and name it texture or anything you want. Go to the text tool and type the name of that product. Place R on your keyboard, bring rotation, and adjust the text in this position. Place Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate the text. Duplicate as many times as long as the text fill the composition. Right-click all the texts and pre-compose them. You can name them anything. No, it's time to animate the text. So no, go to Effects and Presets and type Motion Tile. Apply the motion tile to the text composition and animate it according to the video. Place U on your keyboard to bring the keyframe. You can select all the keyframe and place F9 to ease them. You can adjust the speed of the animation if you want. No, it's time to animate the product. No, place any food product you have in the BG composite. No, place P on your keyboard and animate the position according to the video. No, select the keyframe of the pizza product and place F9 to ease. No, place S on your keyboard and adjust the scale according to the video. In reaching the composition, make the scale bigger. No, select all the keyframe and place F9 on your keyboard to ease fast. No, go to Effects and Presets and type Drop Shadow. Adjust the shadow according to the video. Drag and drop the texture composition in the timeline. Apply drop shadow to it and adjust the shadow according to the video. Place Ctrl D on your keyboard and duplicate the pizza layer. Make the downer pizza more bigger. Place T on your keyboard to bring the opacity. Place on Type Tool and Type Order. Animate the text according to the video. No, select all the keyframe and ease them. Place the on the rectangle tool and draw this shape according to the video.